So we've got pasta, I'm using a fusilli. We've got chunky cut eggplants and chunky cut bell peppers in a very simple tomato sauce with smoked paprika. This is delicious. Let's get on with it. So we're going to get started by straight away doing our eggplants and our bell peppers. I've got a little bit there of olive oil. I'm going to drop in first my bell peppers, and they're, as you can see, really chunky cut. We're on a, above medium heat, about 4 minutes. Keep throwing them around. After that, we're going to go for the eggplants. Okay, so still crunchy, but got a nice little bit of blistering going on there and cooking. I'm going to get these out, follow it up with the eggplant. And again, chunky cut. I added a little bit more olive oil. Again, about 4 minutes, just to kind of give them a little bit of colour. Okay, off goes the heat. Beautiful colour on those. And again, we're going to take them out, set them aside, then we'll take a look at the ingredients. So as you can see, the eggplants and the bell peppers are done there. Just really gives them a nice head start and kind of makes the rest of the dish really easy to make. 1 can of tomatoes, 1 large onion chopped nice and small, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of paprika. I'm using smoked paprika, which is absolutely wonderful. Now be very careful with paprika. There are generally 3 types. Smoked, which is wonderful, sweet, which is nice, and hot, which is basically chili powder. So be careful, because you might just be adding chili powder. We're going to start this off back with the oil that we use to fry the vegetables. And of course, we're going to need our pasta. I'm using a kind of twisty fusilli type today. Get that ready, because we're really going to concentrate on this really simple sauce. So back in with the oil that I just used for the eggplants. We're going to drop in that onion, the garlic, salt, and black pepper. As you can see and hear, we're on a fairly lively heat, above medium, and I'll be back in just 3 minutes. So just 3 minutes, just to get our onions and garlic happening. We're now going to drop in the smoked paprika and the thyme, 2 teaspoons of each there. And simply we're just going to add the can of tomatoes. And these are crushed. They were whole. I just chopped them myself. We're going to add a little splash of water. And we're going to stay on a kind of just above medium heat, and we're going to go for 5 minutes now. Really want to cook these tomatoes out a little bit. So easy and so delicious, this one. See you in 5 minutes. So we've got ourselves a really beautiful little tomato sauce there. Now, if you wanted, you could sweeten that up a bit by adding a little bit of ketchup or a little bit of sugar. That will get, the tartness away from the tomatoes. For me, absolutely no need. Let's pop in the bell peppers, the eggplant, medium heat, about another 3 or 4 minutes. Just stir these in, and then we're ready to add our pasta. This is super. What a lovely, lovely pasta this is going to be. Right, let's grab our pasta. And I've got this large fusilli type. I'm going to pop that in. I'm going to throw this around in the pan because my pasta's cooked but cold, because I cooked it a bit earlier. And we're going to go about 3-4 minutes this is done. I'll see you once I get it on a plate. So there we go, on a plate. Now I just want to garnish this with a few little cherry tomatoes, which I'm very proud come from my garden. We've been growing some tomatoes and feel pretty good about that. And I've got some flat leaf parsley, which I'm going to just put on there. Or some fresh basil if you want, something like that. But that's it, beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That helps us out a lot. So does a thumbs up. And do leave us a comment and say hi to us. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.